Hello everyone, it's the Holy Week again, and today we will be featuring itong Baguio Cathedral, or also known as the Our Lady of the Atonement Cathedral. So located siya dito sa may Upper Session Road, and it's really one of the landmarks. Kumbaga, hindi lang siya basta simbahan, naging tourist spot or tourist destination na din siya sa mga bibisita ng Baguio City. To those na hindi pa nakakapunta dito or matagal nang hindi naka-visit sa Baguio Cathedral, let me give you a quick tour. Just outside the main cathedral, we have this area wherein you can make a candle offering to the different saints. And for me personally, I always make a candle offering to Saint Paul. So I think 10 years na din talagang I always do a candle offering to him from time to time. This area is free, but definitely you need to buy yung candles na yung red is being sold at 3 pesos and the white one is sold at 6 pesos. So sa ngayon, it's already night time, and isa nga sa newest attraction dito sa may Baguio Cathedral is itong stairs going up. So this one is just newly opened and it became an instant, kumbaga, tourist spot. Naging area siya where tourists do take some pictures kasi napakaganda nung ginawa nilang renovation dito sa area na ito. Before kasi na-cover itong stairs ng parang roofing, kaya hindi natin siya masyadong ma-appreciate, but right now it's already open and they have added a lot of lights, kaya napaka-aliwalas niyang tignan, especially during night time. I'm not so sure kung ilang steps ito going up, but let me show you kung saan tayo nang galing. So doon sa baba, that's already the Session Road. Ayan, so talagang napakalapit ng Baguio Cathedral dito mismo sa may Session. It's like nasa city center mismo yung location niya, kaya a lot of people can easily visit itong ating Baguio Cathedral. So sa gabi, it has lights, so definitely wala nang mass during this time and we cannot enter sa loob, but still we can appreciate yung beauty ng ating cathedral at night. Have a blessed Holy Week, everyone, and I'll see you in our next destination.